Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of love in Romeo and Juliet. At the beginning of the play, we have Romeo infatuated with Rosalind. He experiences unrequited love, she doesn't love him back, and this sets him up as a Petrarchan lover. Now, this is an idea used to parody Romeo's dramatic feelings of love that he shows in the play, and it's based on Petrarch, who was a writer. He wrote sonnets about his unrequited love, and so this idea of the Petrarchan lover falls into the sort of theme of romantic idealism that we see explored in the play, and this was something that was much explored during the Middle Ages. And of course, we also see this through the idea of courtly love, which was when a man would woo and court women. So we see how this contributes to the idealistic view of love that Romeo has. And of course, we also have other views of love in the play. We have Juliet's contrasting with Romeo's. She worries that he is too much of an inconstant moon, so she worries that his feelings of love change too consistently for them to be true. And of course we have other kinds of love that are explored in the play, platonic love in the families, and very importantly through Romeo and Mercutio's friendship we see their different views of love. So Mercutio's is much more cynical than Romeo's, and he warns him of his desire through the story of Queen Mab. He warns not to act too quickly on his love and desire for Juliet, and of course this foreshadows what happens with their relationship at the end of the play. He knows that it's not going to end well. So hopefully you can see how the theme of love portrays itself through the play. Thanks for listening.